Hello! We're making passion fruit cheesecake using a variation of the classic cheesecake recipe and a ready-made crust. To make this delectable dessert, we will need cream cheese, white sugar, flour, eggs, sour cream, vanilla essence, and passion fruit juice. You can find the recipe in the description box below. Using my mixer, I added 16 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, half a cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of flour to the mixing bowl and beat until very smooth. In a separate bowl, I whisked 3 eggs, then added them to the bowl, mixing well. Then I added 2 tablespoons of sour cream, a 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and a 1/4 cup of pure passion fruit juice, and continued stirring to combine well. Last, I used a spatula and scraped the sides and bottom of the bowl and gave it a gentle stir before pouring the batter on the ready-made cheesecake crust. I baked the cheesecake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the center of the cheesecake set. Once the cheesecake cooled completely, I added my passion fruit topping. By the way, the recipe for the passion fruit topping is in another video, and I'll leave the link for this as well. Serve this delectable cheesecake chilled. It's a pleasure having you on Storytime and Cooking with Forcy.